I'm Martin Ricks, I'm the Chief Commercial Officer for Loans to Go. I've been here 9 years. Loans to Go has been here nearly 20 years. Traditionally a logbook lender, and then we took the decision to move online. We chose LendingMetrics, and in particular their ADP, the decision platform, was a good fit with where we wanted to go, and we understood how the ADP could control our credit risk profile as we developed. The ADP can help and adjust us with our credit risk appetite in real time. And the last 2 years, going through COVID, for example, we had to make adjustments. We had to make adjustments quickly to our risk appetite and to be in full in line with how a customer was performing. We used the testing facility within ADP. We ran retro analysis. We needed to make sure that we were ahead of the risk before the risk happened. One of the key factors in our decision to contract with LendingMetrics was their hands-on approach from day one. 5 years on, the service hasn't diminished, the service is stronger than ever. We're still learning our customer, and the ADP is fundamental in us getting it right. Now that Loans to Go's online offering is well established, we've decided to look at other sectors, and the ADP was crucial in us deciding exactly who those customers are and determining what type of customer we want to target. I would highly recommend LendingMetrics, whether somebody's venturing for the first time online, or whether you're an established lender that's looking for perhaps a more boutique style approach. LendingMetrics are a strategic partner to the success of Loans to Go, and our continued growth has LendingMetrics at the core of it.